Welcome to GIS Gallery. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to perform interpolation in QGIS. Interpolation is a powerful technique used to estimate values at unsampled locations based on known data points. Let's get started.
Alright, so we have learned about interpolation from ArcGIS, right? So in here, we'll be using this Madhya Pradesh rainfall data to create a interpolated rainfall map or image. Okay. So for that, first we can go to the processing toolbox. This is the toolbox. Okay. If you click on toolbox, it will be added here. Now, if you click on IDW, we can create IDW interpolated map for Madhya Pradesh rainfall. Click on IDW, and I'll be setting my vector layer is empty points. Okay. And my interpolation attribute is RF. RF contains the rainfall data. So I'll go on RF and then I'll be adding this here. Okay, how it has been added. Now what you need to do is you have to set the extent. So in here you have to set the extent. You could either set it from calculate from layer and click on a boundary. But sometimes I found that it's not working. Okay. So what you can do, so like you can try that. If it's not working, what you can do is you can just come over here and then set your extent so that it will convince your data, and then come over here. You can set use current map canvas extent. Okay, and then I'll be saving the file as LEW. Okay, or I could just set it as a temporary file. I'll just run. I can say that LEW is being calculated. Now from this, I could use my boundary to clip this file. For that, I'll go to raster, extraction, clip raster by mask layer. Okay. So my input will be the interpolated image. Mask layer will be my boundary. Okay. And then I'll come over here. I can send my raw data variables. Yeah. And then if you want, you could just save this file. Go to file and save file. For now, I'll be finding it as a temporary file. I'll just click on one. Now, you see that it has been clipped to my boundary. I'll just go to the properties and set the symbology for rainfall. So I'll just use something fancy the color and set the RAM that is for rainfall, which is blues. Okay. And so we have created interpolated image for rainfall data of Madhya Pradesh. All right.